Hear that? That's the sound of the wrong choice. In 2026, your audio interface isn't just a box, it's the gatekeeper to your entire sound. Choose wrong, and no amount of plugins can save you. But choose right, and you unlock a clarity and power that the pros have been hiding. Today, we're revealing the 5 2026 interfaces that are secretly building hit records. One of them costs less than your phone bill. All purchase links are waiting in the description. Listen closely, your next album depends on it. Number 1. Audient Audio Interface ID4. Due to the remarkable success of the Audient ID4, the talented audio engineers and experts have undertaken the project to launch its successor, the ID4 MKII, which aims to reach an outstanding new sonic level. This next-generation audio interface builds upon the solid foundation set by its predecessor, focusing on enhancing audio quality and performance. One of the standout features of the ID4 MKII is its harmonious overall package, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design. It incorporates new transducer technology, which contributes to improved sound capture and fidelity. Additionally, the Class A microphone preamplifier drawn from Audient's revered ASP8024 console ensures that your recordings are crisp, clear, and professional. This advancement is particularly beneficial for home recording enthusiasts who seek studio-quality results in their own spaces. Number 2. Universal Audio Vault 2 USB. The UA Classic 610 preamps deliver a warm and rich analog sound that enhances the dynamic range of recordings. With professional-grade converters, you can capture every subtle detail and nuance of your performance in stunning clarity, supporting high-resolution audio quality of up to 24-bit, 192 kHz. This level of fidelity ensures that your recordings sound as lifelike as possible, making it ideal for musicians and audio engineers who prioritize sound quality. In addition to the hardware, the award-winning Lunar Digital Audio Workstation, DAW, provides users with an intuitive interface and workflows similar to that of a traditional analog studio. With features tailored for recording, mixing, and editing, Lunar allows musicians to bring their creative visions to life seamlessly. Its advanced functionalities, such as tracking, real-time monitoring, and MIDI capabilities, make it an essential tool for professional and amateur producers alike. Number 3. IK Multimedia AXE. Capture every detail with AXE-IO Solo's exceptional 24-bit, 192 kHz DAC converters, which deliver pristine audio quality for your recordings. This USB audio interface is compatible with PC, Mac, and iPad, making it a versatile choice for musicians and producers on the go. Experience advanced guitar tone shaping capabilities that allow you to achieve the perfect sound tailored to your style. The device features a Z-tone impedance adapting circuit, enabling you to optimize your guitar signal for a wide range of pickups. Additionally, the active-passive pickup selector gives you further control over your sound, providing options that are not commonly found on other interfaces dedicated to music recording. Number 4. Motu M for 4x4 USB-C. Equipped with the same ESS Sabre 32 Ultra DAC technology found in audio interfaces costing thousands, the M4 delivers an astonishing 120 dB dynamic range on its main outputs. ESS converters also drive the headphone output, which rivals dedicated headphone amplifiers costing hundreds. Ultra-clean preamp circuits produce a measured -129 dBu EIN on the MIC inputs. Capture and monitor your audio with pristine clarity. Speed. The M4 provides best-in-class speed for monitoring live inputs, MIC, guitar or keyboard, through your computer, thanks to Motu's expertly engineered USB drivers, which deliver class-leading, ultra-low 2.5 milliseconds round-trip latency, at 96 kHz with a 32 sample buffer. Number 5. Focusrite Scarlett for i4 4th Gen. The Scarlett for i4 4th Gen is designed to be the ultimate music maker's studio hub, adapting to the needs of both amateur and professional musicians. With the capability to connect a variety of audio sources including microphones, guitars, synthesizers, and drum machines, it offers a comprehensive solution for those looking to create high-quality music from the comfort of their own space. This new generation of audio interface comes equipped with two Scarlett 4th Gen microphone preamps that provide exceptional audio quality, ensuring that every nuance of your sound is captured in stunning detail. The device features two high-Z instrument inputs that are perfect for directly connecting electric guitars and basses, along with four-line inputs for additional audio sources and four-line outputs to send sound to monitors or other equipment. Additionally, MIDI I/O is included, allowing you to connect a keyboard or other MIDI-compatible gear for even more flexibility in your setup. So, which gateway will you choose for your sound? The power is now in your hands. But this is just the first piece of the puzzle. Next week, we expose the single biggest mistake producers make after buying their interface, a mistake that ruins 90% of home studios. Don't let it be you. If this guide cleared the noise for you, hit that like button. It helps more creators find truths like this. Share it with your producer friends stuck in plugin purgatory. And subscribe, because we're just getting started on building your 2026 hit factory. I'll catch you in the next one.